is my husband gift. Ooh, shotgun. See, it's getting ready. And another one.
Oh yeah.
Diba?
Yeah.
Is that shotgun also,
12
loves?
gauge. This is a 410.
Oh wow.
No.
Nice one. Just like ayam yo. It looks like toy only. Better
Oh, yeah.
see. So we're just going to test his new gun, his new toy.
Yeah.
Ay, okay ni Nana. Whew.
Huh?
Ay. Oh my God, look at that. Wow, shoot. It's dead now.
It's dead.
Yeah. Okay ni Nana. Magpigsa. That's so loud, loves.
Huh?
It's so very strong. Look at that. Oh my God, in only
Do you want to shoot it?
the last one?
Yeah. You just got to put it on fire and then shoot it.
It's so strong.
No. See the circle, line it up with the red dot there, and then
Oh,
fire.
I can't find that red dot. Okay. Go for loves.
Ah, babe.
Ready?
Yeah.
I got it.
Yeah, and then you got to pump it.
How to pump? Like that?
Yep. Now push forward. And then it puts the next shell in. Then go ahead.
I got it lately.
Yeah.
Ready.
You should have one more.
Another one?
Yeah, I think one more. Okay, that's it.
Love it.
Huh?
Love it. Oh my God. It's light.
Yeah, very.
Really light. And wow. But still, very strong. I like it. Not like the first one before. It's really heavy. Podot. That's your gonna be favorite toy.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Okay.
All right. Ayukin ni Nana. Ooh. Ayukin ni Nana. Pow. Love it. Happy birthday, loves. It's big. Ooh. See?
Did you want to shoot that one?
Oh, I'm scared. Is it?
Huh?
Is it powerful? Look at
Oh,
that.
yeah.
Oh, it's
It
big.
has.
Oh,
Yeah, it's a 12 gauge.
it's kicked.
Yeah, it has a little kick to it.
Oh my God. It scared me. No. Okay, it's already dead, loves.
Oh, okay.
Pow, pow, pow. Love it.
Oh.
What?
baby.
Ready now?
Yeah, go ahead. Too high.
It's too high.
Yep. Might have been a little bit too low there, but
No.
I don't know which one you're going for.
I don't got it.
No, you did. The little green one.
Why? I see green here.
Yeah, you shot the green one. There.
I got
You
it?
hit that one, yeah.
The big one?
Yeah.
Can I have one again?
Yeah, I think so.
You got it?
Yeah.
Alright.
I think that's it. This is going to go fast, okay?
You're gonna make
Ready?
it fast? Alright.
All right, babe, go ahead. One time, just fire once. Hold tight.
This one?
Yeah.
Low?
Yeah. There you go. You hit it.
It's heavy, but
You
it's
wanna shoot
sure ball. Oh my god.
You want to shoot some more? Huh?
Ooh, it hurts my arm. That's all. Ooh. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Love it.
Yeah.
You know what? It's just like kicking me on a horse.
Mm-hmm.
It's kicked like a horse loves. For sure, I have a bruise tomorrow.
Oh, yeah.
Mm. The feeling, loves.
Feels good.
Feels
I like
good.
I like these guns. They're fun. Okay.
Okay, satisfied?
Sure. They're fun guns. So